Welcome to FX Street. If you like the content we're producing, head on over to YouTube, join our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Follow Akash and I individually on Twitter, Akash at Mangyako, and myself at Just Analysis 1. Taking a look here at Ripple. Ripple, very similar to a lot of other cryptos, mostly kind of unchanged from where it was about a week ago. I had a nice little drive up between last Tuesday and Wednesday, but it's kind of drifted back into, it's very close, where it's at right now at 74.60. It's pretty close to where the open was last Tuesday at 73.99. So not much of a difference there. It is forgot to mention, it is a U.S. holiday, and you can probably see some muted price action throughout the U.S. session, but otherwise things are not very active at all. Not much is going on. There's some structural things on the point and figure chart that look pretty bearish right now on the 2-cent 3-box reversal chart. There's a possible bear trap triple bottom break that using the vertical profit target method points to a 30-cent zone. I don't think it goes down that far, but that is should give you an idea of the range it could travel. It does match up with the downside areas that we've looked at in that 50-cent range, so there's some risk there. Upside potential, you're kind of just the inverse of that on the 1-cent 3-box reversal chart. If you can achieve a pull pattern reversal here on this current column of O's, that would and that reversal, when you kind of have to actively manage and watch for, is on the 3-box reversal. And with the 4-box stop, that's like a 5-to-1 reward for the risk. But as the column moves lower, so does the entry. But if it drops down to 71, even this current column of O's drops down to 71, then that pull pattern reversal is invalidated, and that the long setup is no longer valid. I guess that's what invalidated means, no longer valid. Brought to you by the Department of Redundancy Department. So
thanks for the clarification.
Yeah. Anyways, that's what I see for Ripple. I'll pass it off to you, Akash.
Thank you, John. So the last time we discussed XRP, I mentioned about how this demand zone has been tested quite a few times and that it is weakening, and we could in some cases see it being breached, which would push XRP down to the 60-cent and then probably down below the 51-cent support level here and collect liquidity resting below that. And the uptrend, right, the one that originated on Jan 10th, expected to at least retest the 50 daily moving average here, but it didn't. It fell short, and now it's back into retesting this demand zone here again. Honestly, I don't see it going higher until we see a massive volatility from Bitcoin. Both Ethereum and XRP are kind of following Bitcoin's footsteps, which is honestly, they're not showing a lot of volatility and price moves. So I believe Ripple is going to stay like this for quite some time, at least until Bitcoin comes back, makes a comeback. In that case, I see the 50-day moving average here at 839 as the initial target, maybe the hurdle. So I see something like this happening. This would be much better. So right here, and then do something like this here again because of the cluster of this 100 and the 200-day moving average. And we should note that there has been a death cross Ripple on roughly 30th December. So things are looking kind of pretty bad for XRP. The upside for XRP, I think, is capped at 0.95, probably 0.97 if we're being a little optimistic. The downside for XRP, I could see it come all the way down to 45 cents and still have the chance to reverse. So that's my take on XRP, John. And for the viewers, obviously I'm not doing this for John. So yeah.
Well, that's awfully kind of you, Akash. Thank you, Akash, for watching. And everyone else, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.